next sound with the long E vowel sound is this sound here, okay? E and Y together, again, as we know, make the E sound. E, E, E. And you usually find this E sound at the end of some words, okay? So let's dive in and find this 2-letter E sound in some words today. Okay, the first one is key. Key. I have the key to the house. K. E. Key. K. E. Key. I have a key to the house, or a key to the lock. K. E. 3 letters, 2 sounds. Okay, going on to our next one, which is turkey. T-E, turkey. Okay, T-E, turkey, not the country, but the bird. T-E, turkey. T-E, turkey. How many letters does turkey have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. How many sounds? E. 4 sounds. You got the sound and the E sound at the end, like we said at the start. Well, we would find this E sound at the end of words. Okay, so our final E word is chimney. Chimney. Ch. I. E. Chimney. Ch. I. E. Chimney. Okay. Chimney. Ch. I. E. Chimney. There is smoke coming through the chimney. Ch. I. E. Chimney. Okay. And the turkey is running on the farm. Forgot to do a sentence there. Turkey is running on the farm and there's smoke coming through the chimney. Ch-I-M-E, chimney. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Make sure you're saying the sounds and words with me, like always, to practice our pronunciation. That would be great. Okay, all together. E, E, E. Key, K-E, key. Turkey, T-E, turkey. And chimney, Ch-I-M-E, chimney. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.